Remove the rubber grip and hook the bent bit of the strap onto the small inner pin. Repeat with the other strap and then replace the rubber grip. Position the clamp onto a pole and wrap the strap around the pole. Hook the closest hole onto the pin on the clamp. Repeat on the other side. To tighten the clamp onto the pole, it is very important to fasten the top and bottom evenly. For example, make 3 turns at the top and 3 turns at the bottom, then repeat until tight. Continue wrapping the strap around the pole and slide the remainder into the rubber side grips. Pull apart the rods to open the X-disc. There will be some tension, so keep pulling until it pops open. Pull up on the rod until you hear a click. Repeat this action on the opposite side. Insert the X-disc into the bracket and close the catch to secure. Release the lock on the bracket and remove the X-disc. Squeeze the lever to release the catch on the rods. Repeat on the opposite side. Pull the shorter side of the banner in towards the frame. The rods will twist and come together. Always ensure the banner is completely dry before packing it away in the bag provided.